End of the month. That familiar feeling of dread starts to creep in. You brace yourself, knowing what's coming. Bank account nearly empty. The numbers on the screen seem to mock you, a stark reminder of the financial tightrope you're walking. Last $20. Do I buy gas to get to work or groceries to feed myself? It's a choice no one should have to make, but here you are facing it head on. Dinner was instant ramen, not by choice but necessity. Another night of the same, a constant reminder of your limited options. I felt stuck, working hard, putting in the hours but getting nowhere, trapped in a cycle of financial stagnation, always one bill away from disaster, one unexpected expense, and the whole house of cards comes crashing down. The cycle. Get paid, a brief moment of relief, pay bills, watch the money disappear, buy groceries, stretching every dollar as far as it can go, and suddenly, the money's gone. Back to square one, waiting for the next paycheck to arrive. Stress is constant. You're not living, just surviving. The weight of financial pressure bears down on you day after day. It seems like everyone else has it figured out, living carefree lives, enjoying the things you can only dream of. But most are hiding the same anxiety, putting on a brave face while secretly struggling with their own financial demons. One emergency, and everything unravels. A flat tire, a doctor's visit, an unexpected repair bill, any of these can send you spiraling. That ramen dinner was my turning point. Staring down at that bowl, I knew something had to change. I was tired of feeling powerless and decided to change. I refused to let money control my life any longer. It wouldn't be easy or fast, but I was ready to take control. It was time to face my finances head on and start building a better future. Breaking free started with one decision, a conscious choice to alter my path, to approach money differently, to understand it, manage it, and make it work for me instead of the other way around. One small step at a time. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step, and I was ready to take it. Why are so many of us trapped? It's not laziness, it's the system. We're pushed to spend more as soon as we earn more. Lifestyle inflation. No one teaches us budgeting or credit in school, so we stumble into debt. Easy credit cards and buy now pay later deals make it worse. Debt piles up, and we're stuck paying for the past. We tie self-worth to spending, driven by FOMO and social pressure. Escaping this cycle means changing your mindset, not just your math. Feeling trapped by your finances, overwhelmed by debt and bills? It's a common struggle, but it doesn't have to be your destiny. How do you break the cycle? Start with a budget, a plan for your money. Think of it as a roadmap, guiding you towards your financial goals. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Track every dollar for a month. Meticulously record where your money is going. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or even a simple notebook. You'll be surprised where it goes. Those daily coffees, impulse buys, and forgotten subscriptions really add up. Cut back on what you don't need. Identify those unnecessary expenses and eliminate them. It's about prioritizing what truly matters to you. And build a $1,000 emergency fund. This is your safety net, protecting you from unexpected expenses. Sell unused stuff, declutter your home and turn unwanted items into cash. Cancel subscriptions, make coffee at home. Small changes can make a big difference. Every dollar counts. It's about being mindful of your spending habits. Next, attack high-interest debt. Credit cards and other high-interest loans can be a major drain on your finances. Use the snowball method, focusing on paying off your smallest debts first for quick wins. Or avalanche method, prioritizing debts with the highest interest rates to save money in the long run. But be relentless, stay focused on your goal and don't give up. Once debt shrinks and the burden lifts, it's time to shift your focus. Focus on earning more. Explore opportunities to increase your income. Freelance, offering your skills and services online. Pick up a side gig, find a part-time job that fits your schedule, or monetize a skill. Turn your hobbies and talents into income streams. Even a few hundred extra a month can significantly accelerate your progress, can change everything. It opens doors to new possibilities and a brighter future. The goal, move from surviving to thriving. To reach a point where you're not just making ends meet but building wealth and enjoying life. It's not about deprivation, it's not about sacrificing everything you enjoy, it's about control. It's about making conscious choices and taking charge of your financial destiny. Every step builds momentum. Each small victory fuels your motivation and propels you forward. You're not stuck. You have the power to change your situation. You're starting. You're embarking on a journey towards financial freedom. This is your blueprint. Picture a life, a future where you are in the driver's seat, making choices that align with your dreams and aspirations. Imagine a world where money stress doesn't rule you, where financial worries don't dictate your decisions or cloud your peace of mind. It's possible. It's within your reach to create that reality. Real people have done it, people just like you from all walks of life. They achieved financial well-being by starting small and staying consistent, building momentum over time. Their secret? What's the key to their success? Discipline, the ability to make smart choices even when it's not easy, small wins, celebrating every milestone no matter how small, and never giving up after setbacks, learning from mistakes, and bouncing back stronger. Remember, financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires endurance and a long-term perspective. Every dollar saved, no matter how small, is a victory. Or debt paid, chipping away at what holds you back, is a step toward your future, a step towards the life you envision. Don't wait for the perfect time, it will never come. Start today. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Download a budgeting app, get a clear picture of your finances, set a goal, define what you want to achieve, cut one expense, identify an area where you can save, and save it, put that money towards your goals. You control your story, you are the author of your financial destiny. Take charge of your finances, be proactive and intentional with your money, and you'll take charge of your future, paving the way for a brighter tomorrow. For more tips, follow Bright Facts. We're here to guide you on your journey. We're here to help, every step of the way.